Hi everyone, I'm Lavina Tilwani and today I'm going to share with you some money tips. You must have noticed that how much ever you work hard, you go for your 9 to 5 job, you're doing the rat race, running from here to there, and still in spite of that, you're not making money, or the money that you're making is not giving you any kind of satisfaction. So you see, when the Lakshmi comes into your house, it should always be followed by Mahalakshmi. Now, what is the difference between Lakshmi and Mahalakshmi? Lakshmi is ever flowing, it's always flowing from one person to the other. But when Lakshmi comes to your house, it should also bring Mahalakshmi with her. That means it should bring the happiness around when the Lakshmi is there. So, when you get money from your job, when you get a check or you get a cash payment, and when you have that excitement of buying something, that excitement, that happiness is Mahalakshmi. So when you earn money out of goodwill, out of your something which you're doing out of your will, out of your choice, and you're getting it honestly, is giving you Mahalakshmi also. Now, why do some people struggle so much and earn just a mere amount of cash or payment? And why do some people, just being in the comfort of their homes, make a lot of money and they get a lot of satisfaction out of that money? You're working from 9 to 5 and just getting say 10,000, and a person who's working say 2 hours in a day and he's making 5,000 an hour. So why does that happen? Why are some people so lucky and why aren't some people lucky about money? They have to struggle to get there. So I'll give you some small tips which can help you to enhance the money luck. Now, on the 30th of every month, on the last day of the month, be it 30th or 31st, you can burn some onion peels. When you cut the onion, the peels that are remaining, just take them and you can take them in some katori or some container and burn them. So when you burn the onion peels, you are burning off the negativity which is surrounding your house. Then after that, you can discard those peels and throw them in the dustbin. On the first of every month, compulsorily, everybody, I want you to do this and try this. Take some cinnamon powder, okay, and just take about 1 small teaspoon of the cinnamon powder in your right hand, and just like go around your house with the cinnamon powder and say that I want money luck, I want money, I want prosperity to enter my house. Open the main door of your house, go out and try coming inside towards your house and blow the cinnamon powder outside the house till you enter the entrance of your house. Don't let the powder come inside. Okay, let the cinnamon powder remain there for some time. Now, whatever cinnamon powder is left in your hand, you can just rub it over your palms or something like that. Just don't wash your hands. Let the cinnamon powder be around. So you can try this, and you can just post it to me whether did you see any difference in doing this. Also, one more thing I want to tell you is, if you want to enhance your luck, then on your left hand, below your thumb, this is your Venus mount, just below your thumb, write 24 over here, okay, and the ring finger, under the ring finger also you write a 24 with a blue pen. Every day you can write a lot of times in the day, even if it's rubbed off, you can write it again. And for people, especially for 3-number people who are born on 21st, 3rd, 30th, people whose birth date comes to total 3, the best thing you can do is, this is your guru finger. Over here, you can just put a little bit of turmeric powder. It's called haldi. Okay, just rub it anti-clockwise and clockwise. Do this every Thursday, and everybody can do it, but it's very, very lucky for 3-number people. So it's their planet. The guru is their planet. That's Jupiter. So just put that haldi powder here and let it be, Try, let it be on your finger for some time. If you feel that you're going to wear something white or something, it might get dirty, you can wash it off in some time. Okay, and one more last tip that I want to tell you is, when you take a broom and you sweep your house. Never sweep your house in the evening after 6:30 p.m. because that's the time when Lakshmi enters your house. So you light the light in your house, and don't sweep your house or don't mop your house in the evening after 6:30 p.m. because it's the time for Goddess Lakshmi to enter in your house. So try and finish off all your brooming and your sweeping everything before 6:30 p.m. Okay, and never keep the broom visible in the house. It should always be kept in a corner. It should be always be segregated from the other parts of the house where it should never be seen. Okay, and also mop your floor with salt water every day. If you do these, you will definitely see a lot of difference. Also, the last thing which I want to tell you is, if you want to enhance your money luck, please wear yellow color dress, yellow color, you can even carry a handkerchief or a scarf or anything, a small piece of yellow color. Even if you keep a cutout of a small piece in your wallet, you can enhance a lot of money luck. And last but not the least, I would advise people to go for a red wallet. Keep your cash in the red wallet and always keep a bay leaf inside. That will enhance a lot of money luck. Now guys, I know you wouldn't like to take a red wallet, but even if you keep a red wallet at home and if you keep your money in it, always keep some money inside. It's going to enhance a lot of money luck. So guys, if you've liked my tips and if you want more tips on any other things, money tips or health tips, you can always contact me. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. Leave your messages, leave your comments there, and I'll get back to you. See you soon. Bye.